Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 4th, 2022. We're going to talk about Polkadot today. I mean, look what happened to the price. Like, let's take a look. You guys can see that I did a video on Polkadot. The market freaking went down. I was anticipating that the price was going to go up, all because price in Polkadot was able to hold this support area of around $6.50. Price cracked below that right here not long after I did a video on September the 18th. Price traded below it. Now, what in the world can we expect now? Well, I'm going to show you all what I think the market in Polkadot is about to do now. So welcome to the channel. Hit that like button to the video. Also subscribe. If you guys want a simplistic way of understanding how market works, you definitely need to follow me, because I'm going to make this simple and easy. I'm going to show you all how to produce forecasts and predictions as to see where the market's going to go so that we can be in position and win. All right, so check this out. I didn't win on my last price prediction though for Polkadot. I keep it a buck. I keep it 100. I show you all what occurs from my ideas. So I did a video on Polkadot on the 24th of August. The price prediction is right now in front of us, and I was bullish into the market in Polkadot. I was looking for the market to run up, but look at this. We only had a small opportunity to see Polkadot give us any profits, any. And it was from September the 9th all the way to September the 13th. That was it. Outside of those days, price completely traded outside of my price target. It happens. The bullishness, the buyers just didn't pop up and show up. They didn't want to buy Polkadot. I mean, like, what can we do? We simply come in and anticipate where price is going to go, and if it doesn't happen, then it doesn't happen. It's all about probabilities. The market momentum with the information that we had back in August was that the buyers were willing to lift price up, and it just didn't make it. It didn't. So yeah, this one didn't go right. It didn't. If you guys didn't get it on those particular days that the market was in profit, if you were to get out the market now in Polkadot, we would be down 15%. Okay. Now, check this out though. Let's get back in position. Let's get back and predict what's going on into the market in Polkadot. Now, that horizontal line is still playing a massive role as to price movement. That line is impacting Polkadot's price. At one point in time, this line was utilized as support, right? Look at this. July the 25th, it was holding support. Look right here. Even on July the 16th, seen as support. Look at this day, July the 1st, seen as support. Look at this day, June 18th, seen as support. Look at the 13th of June. This line was support at that time. Well, here we are today, and look at what the line is doing. Look at this. It is seen as resistance. All of these traded days, the market is being hung up by this horizontal line. So do you know what that means? Like, that means that don't look for price in Polkadot to go up until we see price break above $6.50. That's exactly what it means. Now, we're going to try to determine what are the chances of that happening. Because if we see the market in Polkadot break above $6.50, then we can see a bigger move to the upside. If we don't see strength, if we don't see buyers buying Polkadot right now, then guess what? We're going to go down, because we have seen all of the work and effort that the market has already tried to break above 650, and they couldn't do it. Okay, so let's break this down further. Here's Polkadot on the 2-day chart. And again, when we take all of this into combination, we want to see which of the market participants is winning. Is it the buyers? Is it the sellers? Which one? When you look at all of these trading days, which one is winning, do you think? To me, it looked like the buyers are winning. 3-day chart. Okay. So all of these 3-day price bars, take a look at this. So from this 3-day price bar, which is indicative of selling, the next 3-day price bar, more selling is going on. Then on this one, you're still seeing sellers. But then on this 3-day price bar right here, the market sold off, but it was able to close at the high of the bar. The market buyers are trying to break price above 650. That's what they're trying to do right now. I can see it. Okay. Now, This is Polkadot on the 5-day. In the next 3 days and 13 hours, if this market in Polkadot closes at the high end of the bar, this 5-day price bar, if it closes at the high of the bar, then the chances are increasingly likely that price is going to break above 650. But we got 3 days and 13 hours, so we cannot be too reliant upon that. Last week though, look at that. That's weakness right there. Okay, so even though we're seeing buyers on the daily time frame, the daily and the 2-day chart, there is definitely selling going on this last weekly price bar. You can even see it here on the 2 weeks right here, to where sellers definitely came into the market in Polkadot. Look at this on the monthly chart. The last 2 months we've seen price in Polkadot go down. So what I'm showing you is, as time goes further out, we're definitely still in a form of weakness. We're definitely here. So the opportunity for us to see price in Polkadot go up is only being seen on the daily time frame. So we have to keep that in mind. This is not transitioning over to the longer term, not yet. Okay. So the only question that I can see is, okay, what are the chances for us to get rejected here and come back down? Can you see it? Would you play this, or would you wait to see whether or not the buyers break this market above 650? Would you rather wait and see the market in Polkadot do this, break out, come back down and hold, and then continue to trend higher? That's possible. You could do that. Or do you want to get in now and run the chance of seeing the market get rejected and come back down? What are you seeing? What is your expectations? Okay. Yeah, I'm not really seeing a lot of bullishness on the hourly chart though. I'm not seeing it. I wish I did though, because I definitely would be looking for the market to go up. Looking at this as a whole, I would say that right here, this 5-hour price bar was indicative of selling, but the market did not necessarily get impacted immediately. Price did trend down though, but you guys can see that it wasn't severe. Price came back up. So we know where the lines of demarcation has been determined. This is where the buyers are at, and this is where the sellers are at right now. Let me see something. All right, so let me do this. We're going to go ahead and play the strength into the market in Polkadot. Now, this is going to be real contingent. All right, this is like one where you have to be prepared to act. The only way that we'll continue to play this market move in Polkadot is for us to see the market hold. Let's just do $6. Okay. Now, first price target. I mean, we're already approaching it right now. This is not the opportunity to be greedy, because we know that the risk is still here for price to get rejected at 650. That's only 1.25% profitability. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Outside of that, this would be my second price target here, around 680, maybe 7. And that's about it. Okay. Now, if we see this market break out of this tight trading range, then yeah, $7 would probably be a likely area that Mark's going to try to run to real quick, and then we might come back down. All right, so this is it. Not really looking for too much in Polkadot, not for a big market move just yet, but I could definitely tell on the daily chart, 2-day chart, that the market is trying to trend higher. So we're going to follow the market on this one. All right. So make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.